everyone, good morning. Once again, I welcome you to your EVS period. Children, hope that you all are ready. So, how was your exam? How was your unit test one? Those who have given the set B. Hope that you have given it nicely. I'm sure now everybody has given their test, everybody has appeared for their test, and very soon your results will be out and you can see that how have you performed in the exam. So I give my best wishes to all of you children. Now today children, if you can remember, in our previous class, that is in our previous week, we have started a lesson that is related to the neighborhood places, right? If you can remember. So all of you please take out your EVS book because today we are going to do the book exercises from the lesson number 13, that is my neighborhood. So hope that you all have read the chapter properly and must have learned the spellings that I have told you all. So now children, today first I'm just will be revising the chapter once again to you all, and then we are going to do the book exercise. So everybody please be ready along with your book, pencil and erasers so that you can write, and while writing if you make mistake you can just rub it with the help of a eraser, right? So 1, 2 and 3 and here I go. So are you all ready now? So come on, if you are ready, so then why to waste time? Because time is so precious, isn't so? It doesn't come back. So children, here is the chapter that is my neighborhood. Chapter number 13 and page number 51. Page number 51. So basically in this chapter we have learnt about the neighborhood places. So before knowing the neighborhood places, we need to know about the neighbors. Where we all live in, we live in our house, right? So in our house we live with our family members, but the people who live next to our house, near our house, because we alone we don't live in that area, right? हम एक एरिया में क्या अकेले रहते हैं, अकेले हमारा हाउस रहता है? No. So we are surrounded with many of our friends, neighbors, right? हम बहुत सारे लोगों से surrounded होते हैं, बहुत सारे और लोगों के houses होते हैं हमारे घर के आसपास, right? So those people who live near our house or next to our house, they are called as neighbors. What they are called as? Neighbors, जिसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं पड़ोसी, right? So they are called as neighbors. The people are called as neighbors. But the places that are near our house, what I am saying, the places that are near our house are called as neighborhood places. What they are called as? Neighborhood, right? So let's now read it out here. I live with my family in Sai Housing Society. There are 64 flats in the society. People living in them are my neighbors, right? So you can see the boy is actually explaining you that people who are living near our house, they are called neighbors, right? Now what is a neighborhood? Because this chapter is about a neighborhood. So the definition that we have learned in our previous class, that was the area around a house is called neighborhood. So the area that is having, like for an example, if you live in a Lanka area, or if you live in a BHU area, or you live in Bhelupur or in Sundarpur or in Samne Ghat or in any other Sarai Nandan, any other place. So that particular area is called as neighborhood, which is around your house, right? Because in that area there are so many other places except your house. आपके हाउस के अलावा और भी बहुत सारे places हैं. So what could be all those places? Let's just know about it. There are many places in the neighborhood. These different places provide different kinds of services, right? So the different places that are near our house, they basically provide us with different services. ये हमें अलग अलग तरह के services provide करते हैं, हमारे लिए help करते हैं. Because see, we all are humans, they love to help each other, और हम एक दूसरे का साथ देते हैं, एक दूसरे की मदद लेते हैं, और इस तरह से हम लाइफ को लीड करते हैं, राइट? अकेले हम सारा काम अपना तो नहीं कर सकते. We need people, we need helpers who can help us. So the places that they take the responsibility of helping each other, those places are called neighborhood places, and they provide special services, right? हर particular place का अपना एक service provider होता है, और वो उस service को हमें provide करता है. Like for an example, some of the most common places are market, post office, bank, school, hospital, police station, fire station, bus stop, and railway station. So you can see these are some of the places. Now let's know that what kind of service these places, these neighborhood places are providing to us. So when we are going to read the chapter, we will get to know. So let's first know about the market. So what service the market gives to us? The market is a place where there are many shops. You can buy things like cereals, bread, butter, eggs, milk, stationery, clothes, shoes, bags, books, whatever you want to purchase, which you don't have at your house or which you don't have it. You have to go just to the market, and the market is a place which provides you all the things that you want in your life, right? Except happiness. खुशी के अलावा बाकी कोई मटेरियलिस्टिक चीज़ें आपको अगर लाइफ में चाहिए तो सब कुछ आपको मार्केट से मिल सकती है. सिर्फ चीज़ें ही मिल सकती हैं, फैमिली और खुशी नहीं मिल सकती, राइट? वो तो हमारे अंदर हमें ढूंढनी होती है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज the post office, right? So what is a post office? A post office is a place where you can buy stamps, you can buy postcards, you can buy inland letters, envelopes, right? And even you can send money orders from the post office, right? So like in our old time, when I was small, so that time we used to write letters to our grandparents, and we used to send them to their hometown, to my hometown, right? And बहुत अच्छा लगता था अपने नाना नानी दादा दादी को लेटर्स लिखना. वहाँ से भी हम फिर लेटर लिखने के बाद हम लोग वेट करते थे 10 डेज के लिए. वहाँ से भी रिप्लाई आता था, बहुत अच्छा लगता था, राइट? सो आई कैन रिमेंबर माई चाइल्डहुड डेज. इट वॉज अ वेरी एक्साइटिंग डे. बट नाउ डेज जनरली वी आर नॉट राइटिंग लेटर्स, बिकॉज अब तो हमारे लिए और सुविधा हो गया है. वी आर हैविंग टेलीफोन्स, वी आर हैविंग मोबाइल फोन्स, एंड वेन एवर वी फील लाइक टॉकिंग टू आवर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, वी फील लाइक टॉकिंग टू एनी ऑफ आवर रिलेटिव, वी हैव टू जस्ट डायल 10-digit numbers and we can call up anyone and can talk within a minute, right? एक मिनट के अंदर हम उनसे बात कर सकते हैं, right? But that was not possible when the telephones and mobile phones were not there. तब ये possible नहीं था. But इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि अब letters लोग नहीं लिखते या post office का अब कोई use नहीं है. Definitely there is a use of post office, and in future also we will be writing letters, because letters are an official things. हमें letters हमेशा हर जगह लिखना ही होता है ऑफिशियल जगहों पे. सो इट्स मस्ट, राइट? सो फ्रॉम पोस्ट ऑफिस वी कैन गेट स्टैम्प्स. हमें स्टैम्प्स की ज़रूरत पड़ती है। अगर हम लेटर्स लिख कर किसी को सेंड करते हैं तो हमें उसमें स्टैम्प्स लगाने होते हैं, राइट। सो वी कैन गेट स्टैम्प्स, हमें एनवेलप्स मिल सकता है, पोस्ट कार्ड्स मिल सकते हैं, और हम मनी ऑर्डर भी भेज सकते हैं। और भी पोस्ट ऑफिस के बहुत सारे सर्विसेज हैं विच यू आर स्मॉल नाउ, यू वोंट बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड, बट यू कैन टॉक टू योर मम्मा और पापा, दे विल हेल्प यू आउट टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड कि पोस्ट ऑफिस में और कौन कौन से सर्विसेज अवेलेबल है, राइट। नाउ लेट्स नो अबाउट द थर्ड one, that is bank, right? So a bank, what is a bank? A bank is a place where we can keep our money and jewelry safe, राइट। सो आप कभी शायद अगर अपने मॉम डैड के साथ कभी आपने विजिट किया होगा बैंक, तो आपने देखा होगा देयर आर सो मेनी काउंटर्स इन द बैंक एंड वन कैन विथड्रॉ द मनी, वन कैन डिपॉजिट द मनी, एंड different things can be done from the bank, the loans and or so many other things are available, services are available which we can actually get it from the bank, right. Now the next one is the school. So as you know that near our house, most of them, in most of the areas you will find some schools, either big or a small school, but then generally in every area you will see a school, right. So school is a place where the children, they go for studies, they learn good things, they learn good manners, and then they become a big successful man or a woman, right. Now next one is bus stop. So what is a bus stop? A bus stop is a place where you can board the bus and you can take it from, for an example, you want to go anywhere to any place. So what exactly you have to do? You have to just go to the bus stop, get the ticket for the bus from wherever you want to go, from where you want to board and where you want to go, right. So you have to take the ticket for that and then you can just board the bus and bus will take you to your destination. आपको अपनी मंजिल पर लेकर जाता है, पहुंचा देता है, right. So we should, yes, it's very important, children. Here you can see there's a one very important point. Do not forget this, that we need to keep our neighborhood clean. Yes, it's our duty that we need to keep our area, our surroundings, our neighborhood clean. Then only we can also remain hygienically clean and away from diseases, right. Now let's know about some more neighborhood places. So one of the very important neighborhood places are fire station, right. A fire station has firemen. They put out fire and save people in case of an emergency, right. So children, I know that many of your neighborhood places the fire station is not available, right, in all the areas, because we have in Varanasi we have very less number of fire stations, and in certain areas only we are having the fire station. But let me just explain you that what exactly is fire station for. Fire station is a place where there is a fire brigade, where there are people who are called as firemen. And what is their job? You know, their job is one of the very I won't say dangerous, but a kind, you can say a very risky job, but a very courageous job. They do a very courageous job. Why? Because children, in case of any emergency, in case anywhere we has got fire, so if they get a call from that place, so immediately along with this fire brigade, the entire team, that fire brigade, they will reach to that place and then they extinguish the fire. They put out the fire and save the people who are in danger, or somewhere they got stuck in that fire. जो उस फायर में फंस गए होते हैं, कहीं प्रॉब्लम में फंस गए होते हैं, उनको उससे निकालते हैं और आग बुझाने का काम करते हैं. So you can understand that their work is so risky. Why I told this? क्योंकि सच में इसमें जान का जोखिम होता है और वो अपने जान को जोखिम में डालकर आपको, हमको, हम किसी को भी, हम में से जब किसी को भी अगर इमरजेंसी पड़ती है तो ये लोग पीछे नहीं रहते हैं. They always come in front and they save people. So that's why we need to give salute to these people, right? Now the next one very important place is a police station. Children, why police station is a very important place? Because children, you must have seen that in every area we are having a police station, either a small station or a big station. Like in Lanka or in BHU we have big police stations, but in other areas we may have small stations, right? But yes, we do have police stations and we have policemen working there in the police station. I'm sure that you all have seen the police officers, because on the road, everywhere, or some of the other place, you must have seen them. They are always working 24/7, right? They are there for us, to save us, to protect us. They are, if in case we need to complain against any theft or against any robbery, then we have to go to the police station, right? So they catches thieves and the robbers, and then they maintain the law and order of that area, right? So that's why even they also do a very important job in the society, because maintaining law and order is very must, right? Then only everybody can live peacefully, happily. Otherwise अगर लोगों को डर रहेगा, जान की जोखिम रहेगी, तो लोग चैन से, खुशी से नहीं जी सकेंगे. बट हमारे पुलिस ऑफिसर्स इन चीज़ों का ध्यान देते हैं, हर एरिया का वो ख्याल रखते हैं, एंड दैट्स हाउ वी गेट सेफ, वी कैन लिव safe, right? So now next, one of the very important place is hospital. So what is a hospital and what service they provide? So a hospital is a place where sick people are treated. Doctors and nurses treat these sick people, right? And they give medicine in the hospital. So when we are sick, we go to the hospital, and there the doctors, they treat us, they give us medicine, and then we get better, right? So now the last one is the railway station. So if we want to go far away places, we can catch train, and the trains are available through the railway stations, right? You can board the train from the railway station, right? So these are some of the neighborhood places, but not all. Like see, आपके घर के पास टेम्पल्स भी हो सकते हैं, आपके घर के आसपास और भी ऐसे बहुत सारे सर्विस एरियाज होते हैं जो हमें सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर रहे होते हैं, राइट? सारे तो इसमें मेंशन नहीं है, बट यस, आपको पता है कि बहुत सारे सर्विसेज अवेलेबल होते हैं. लाइक वेंडर्स जो होते हैं, ग्रीन ग्रोसर्स हैं, फ्रूट सेलर्स है, ये भी तो सर्विस ही प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, राइट? शॉप्स जो मार्केट में होते हैं, गैस सिलेंडर्स हैं, गैस सिलेंडर एजेंसीज हैं, वो अपने सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर रहे होते हैं. क्लोथ्स का ये वो बहुत सारे ऐसे सर्विसेज होते हैं जो हमें हमारे एरिया में हमें सर्विस प्रोवाइड करते हैं, एंड दे एक्चुअली हेल्प अस to live a safe life, to live a easy life, to live a happy life. Otherwise सोचो ज़रा, अगर ये सारी चीज़ों के लिए हमें सब कुछ के लिए खुद ही करना पड़े, सब खुद को ही ध्यान देना पड़े, खुद ही उगाना पड़े पेड़, खुद ही काटना पड़े, खुद ही सब कुछ करना पड़े, तो कितना मुश्किल होगा, है ना? So they are really very important in our life because they provide services, right? So now hope that you have understood the chapter. So let's now do the book exercise. So here let's do exercise number A, that is tick the correct option. So number 1, there are many shops in a, so where we can get many shops? Hospital, bank or market? And the right answer is market, right? Number 2, to keep our money safe, we keep it in a, हमें अपने पैसे को सेफ रखना है तो हम कहाँ रखेंगे? मार्केट में, बैंक में या स्कूल में? We will keep it in the bank. Yes. Next, we go to learn in a Where we go to learn? To the bank, to the school, or to the hospital? We go to the school. Yes. So let's now do the next exercise. Right, page number 54. Using the clues, fill in the blanks. So some clues are already given here in the box that you can see, like theft, fireman, bus and post office. Now let's do it one by one. So we can send money orders from हम money order कहाँ से भेज सकते हैं? Post office. Yes, and the spelling of post office is P-O-S-T, post, O-F-F-I-C-E, office, post office. Number 2, we can board a dash at a bus stop. हम bus stop से क्या ले सकते हैं? Train ले सकते हैं? No, bus. So spelling of bus is B-U-S, bus. Number 3, the dash put out fire in an emergency. So emergency में कौन fire extinguish करता है, put out करता है, बुझाता है? Fireman. Yes. So spelling of fireman is F-I-R-E, fire, M-E-N, men. Number 4, we complain about a dash in a police station. Police station में हम किस चीज़ की complaint दर्ज कराने जाते हैं? Theft की, चोरी की. So spelling of theft is T-H-E-F-T, theft, right? Now let's do exercise number C. Complete the puzzle with the names of the places. So see, the pictures of the places are given here. Now you have to complete this grid, okay? The numbers are given. So number 1 is a picture of a bus stop. Number 2, number 1. So you can write here in the number 1 like this, B-U-S S-T-O-P, stop, B-U-S, bus, and S-T-O-P, stop, bus stop, right? Now number 2 is the picture of bank. Yes, where we can get money from, withdraw or deposit money, right? So B-A-N-K, bank. Now next one, number 3. Just check number 3. Can you check number 3? It's what it is. Can you just see? This is hospital, right? So I'm so sorry, I just said it wrong, beta. Just give me number 2 is school. School. I just said it wrong. So please don't write like this. Number 2 is school. Where we all go to study? School. S-C-H-O-O-L, school, right? So please don't write bank because bank is not this one. This I just did not understand the picture. I just got confused between number 2 and number C. But number 2 is the picture of a school. Here you can see it's written also, it's school. So this will be the right answer, this one, S-C-H-O-O-L, school, right? Now number 3, this you can see a plus sign. Where we can see the red color plus sign? In the hospital. So write down the spelling of hospital in number 3. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L, hospital. And number 4 is post office, right? So P-O-S-T, post, and O-F-F-I-C-E, office, post office. Number 5 is the picture of market. Yes, M-A-R-K-E-T, market. And number 6 is the picture of bank. Yes, B-A-N-K, bank, right? So hope that you have done this. And this exercise number D and this one, we are going to do this exercise in our notebook, not here. So what is today's activity? Draw and color a post box and an envelope in your notebook. So this would be your homework for today. This is an activity that what you have to do, you have to draw and color a post box and an envelope in your notebook. So this is your homework. You have to do it in your notebook, and these book exercise you have to do it in your book. So hope children that you have completed your work by now. I'm sure that you have completed your work. Well, I will send the PDF of the same, the book exercise, in your WhatsApp group just after the class. Okay, and then you can complete your work. You have to learn these book exercises because very soon I will be taking a class test, and I would like to see that how many of you are preparing well, because you need to learn well, you need to prepare it, then only you will know such important things, right? And so and yes, I told you about today's homework also. It's an activity that you have to draw it in your notebook. So hope children, you must have completed your work, and it's now time to say bye to you. We are going to meet again tomorrow in our next class. Thank you and have a lovely day ahead. Bye.